Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're going to start by confirming permissions and freeing the camera. Open your browser, go to Meet. Google.com, then click the lock or info icon and set camera to allow. Once done, close any other program that might be using the camera. Those grab the device exclusively. Make sure to restart the browser so settings apply. Doing this first removes the most common block, and you'll know whether the issue is permissions or something deeper. Now you'll confirm Meet is using the right hardware. In Google Meet, click the three dots, choose Settings then Video, and pick the correct camera from the drop-down. External webcams sometimes appear as USB cameras. If you don't see a feed, test the camera in your operating system's camera app or a browser camera test page to isolate browser versus system. If the camera is missing, update or reinstall its driver. That often restores device. Finish by eliminating browser or extension interference. Clear cache or open an incognito/private window and join a test call. If that fails, switch browsers or try another USB port for your external camera because ports and hubs can block power or data. As a final sanity check, reboot your computer. This clears locked device states. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip is to disable browser extensions temporarily. Extensions often block permission, prompts, or access to the camera.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.